The CS file type is just a plain text file containing C-charm source code. You don't need Visual Studio to read it, any text editor works, but you do need it to compile it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's take a look. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful CS troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. A CS file contains source code written in the C programming language. CO is a multi-paradigm, object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft as part of the .NET initiative. CS files contain instructions that are compiled into executable code or libraries for various applications, including desktop, web, and mobile development. CS files adhere to the syntax and structure defined by the C language specification. They typically include class definitions, methods, variables, and other programming constructs. C code is compiled by the .NET compiler, csc.exe, into Common Intermediate Language, CIL code, which is then executed by the .NET Common Language Runtime, CLR. When viewing the file metadata, the CS shows a direct link to Visual Studio from Microsoft. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows treats them as text by default, so interpretation is handled by the right runtime. We must confirm application compatibility. Right-click your CS file and choose Open With. Test Visual Studio if installed. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That often reveals the problem. If your CS file will not open yet, do not panic. This format is tricky. Since the CS file is so specific, let's confirm your environment. We need to verify these key details before fixing the error. First, use IDE. Open the file using the required integrated development environment, IDE such as Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code, configured for secret development. Next, compile the code. As CS file cannot be run directly, you must compile it, build solution into a runnable output, e.g. X or del. Finally, check placement errors. Verify the code is placed within the appropriate file, e.g. program.cs, and review the error list window for syntax or build errors. If your current apps can't interpret your CS file, your computer is likely trying to use the wrong language to read a format it doesn't recognize. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the CS label is unclear or shared. When your CS file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Congratulations on fixing your file. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.